Gal's like, excuse me, but why isn't that hand touching me? I need that hand on me right now. You are a jealous bitch.
There's too much going on. I got like...
Yours is contemplating attacking Pork Chop.
I love the tail wagging. Oh, and we're backing up real fast.
I love how Pork Chop was playing with the ball and was like, tired.
What song did I sing for you on your birthday this year?
Happy birthday, of course. So, how old are you, son? 4. You're a big boy. What's your name?
What are they doing? Oh, that one's gonna hide.
She's like, goodbye.
Yours is being ridiculous. Bye. We're gonna disappear around the corner.
She's really gone.
Oh, that's real cute.
You stink. I think you're gonna have a good